Scene script. Have you ever wondered why this could be the perfect time to invest in cryptocurrencies? Well, you might be onto something. We're in the midst of what's known as the crypto winter. A chilly season of market uncertainty that's been lingering for a while. Yet, beneath the frost, there's a sense of anticipation bubbling. For the first time, all the variables are starting to align, suggesting a significant crypto boom might just be on the horizon. So why this sudden optimism? It stems from the potential of blockchain technology, the very backbone of cryptocurrencies. Blockchain has proven itself in a multitude of applications, from decentralized finance to the facilitation of smart contracts. As more businesses and governments are embracing blockchain, its position as a disruptive technological advancement is only getting stronger. But what does this mean for you, the investor? Simply put, the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies are more robust than ever. This could potentially trigger a significant increase in their value in the near future. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the world of Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency. At present, Bitcoin's price has a striking 61% difference from its all-time high. This implies that Bitcoin can be bought at a significantly lower price than what it once was, and that's a golden opportunity for investors. However, it's crucial to remember that cryptocurrencies are notorious for their volatility. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, but many experts believe that Bitcoin is on the cusp of a rally. As more and more financial institutions and businesses adopt Bitcoin, its legitimacy and use as a store of value are on the rise, which could give its price a considerable boost in the coming year. But the crypto world doesn't end with Bitcoin. Altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies, are also experiencing substantial growth. Ethereum, for instance, is undergoing a major upgrade, set to improve its scalability and functionality. Other altcoins like Cardano and Solana are also witnessing an increase in adoption and project development on their networks. As an investor, the key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in both Bitcoin and some promising altcoins. Always remember to do your own research and stay informed with the latest news in the Cryptoverse. So the question is, what's happening in the world of cryptocurrencies today? Let's delve into the heart of the Cryptoverse, starting with Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency. At this moment, Bitcoin stands impressively at 61% below its all-time high. This gap provides an intriguing chance to acquire Bitcoin at a significantly reduced price compared to its peak value. The implication is clear: there has never been a better time to seize the opportunity and invest in cryptocurrencies. But what's next for Bitcoin? Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is known for its volatility, and prices can shift rapidly. Yet, a growing consensus among experts suggests that Bitcoin is poised for a rally. As more and more financial institutions and businesses embrace Bitcoin, its legitimacy as a store of value is strengthening, which could potentially drive its price upwards in the coming year. However, the Cryptoverse is not just about Bitcoin. Altcoins, the alternative cryptocurrencies, are also making notable strides. Take Ethereum, for instance, currently undergoing a significant upgrade promising enhanced scalability and functionality. Other altcoins, such as Cardano and Solana, are witnessing increased adoption, with new projects being developed on their networks. So what's the takeaway for you, the investor? The key word is diversification. It's never wise to put all your eggs in one basket. Consider spreading your investments across Bitcoin and a selection of promising altcoins. And of course, always do your own research and stay informed about the latest happenings in the Cryptoverse. In conclusion, the crypto winter may be thawing, and with Bitcoin and promising altcoins offering great potential, now could be the best time to dive into the Cryptoverse.